Imagine a familiar night sky, but with a terrible secret: the moon has reversed its course, orbiting the Earth in the opposite direction. This simple change is not a mere astronomical curiosity, it is the trigger for a slow-motion apocalypse. The gravitational dance we know would become a free-for-all. The tides, our familiar ocean pulses, would transform into monsters. The friction between Earth's rotation and the new retrograde lunar orbit would become catastrophic. The tidal bulges, which Earth drags along with its spin, would now fight against the moon's motion, acting as a colossal brake on its orbital energy and inexorably pulling it toward us. Day after day, the moon would appear larger and brighter, an ominous jewel in the sky, and the tides would no longer be measured in meters, but would become tsunamis hundreds of meters high, sweeping across continents, submerging entire coastal cities in an instant and eroding the planet's interior, redrawing the world's maps with each cycle. The length of our days would shorten dramatically as Earth's rotation accelerated due to this interaction, plunging life into unprecedented temporal and climatic chaos, altering wind patterns and seasons beyond recognition. But the true end would come when the moon crossed an invisible and deadly boundary, the Roche limit. At that point, Earth's gravity would be so overwhelming that it would literally tear it apart. We would see our satellite deform and stretch across the sky as if it were made of an elastic material, until it was pulverized into billions of fragments. The daytime sky would darken, filled with debris, and for a time, Earth would have a spectacular and deadly ring system, an echo of Saturn in our corner of the solar system. However, this beauty would be our undoing. A perpetual rain of lunar rocks, from fine dust to asteroids the size of cities, would bombard the surface, sterilizing the planet in a celestial spectacle of annihilation. Our nighttime beacon, the guardian of our nights, would become the crown of our tomb.